This is Hiren from Magna Carta, Magna Carta, India, and I'm going to be joined on with the Mr. Larry on that 29th of this month. Thank you.
Hey, me again, Larry from Larry's Fountain Pens Review. I want to give you a heads up on the upcoming Zoom Pen Hangout special guest. Yep, a very, very special guest. The gentleman, the creator of the Magna Carta fountain pen, Heron, and his family work as a team to create the Magna Carta fountain pens. So he's going to be on, and most likely his family will be there kind of hanging out. And if you're able to join me, this is the time to join me. You'll get to know him. You'll get to meet him. You get to ask him questions. You'll get to hear his passion, his love for what he does, and all the work and time him and his family spend creating these fountain pens. You know, they get a bad rap from where they're from. I think it's time to take down the barriers and open the doors and let Magna Carta come in. And by doing that, that's why I want to present Aaron as my guest, so you can actually meet the gentleman and his family. Let you hear his own words. Let you hear what he speaks from the heart. That's real important when you're making fountain pens. He just doesn't make them, put them out. He makes because it's a passion, a love. It's an energy. It's a feeling that he gets inside because he believes in what he does. His family believes in what he does, so give the gentleman a chance. That's all I say. And you take it from there. Peace. Love. God bless. Later, folks. Don't text. Don't drive. I'm done. Be safe.